everyone. I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you so much for coming to my channel to learn another line dance called Dollywood, and it's spelled W-O-U-L-D. This is a beginner 32 count, 4 walls. It is choreographed by Willie Brown. If you are not a subscriber yet, please hit that subscribe button and share the news that this is a channel to come learn your lessons at. And like the video, share the video, comment. That would all be awesome. This is my crazy dog, Scully, who likes to come when I move the furniture now to dance. Only this time he stopped himself in the middle of the floor. So I'll move around him a little bit, but eventually I think he'll get the message and he'll probably leave. So, you know, enjoy Scully while you can, and let's learn Dollywood. All right, so we're gonna start this. This dance, the step sheet says step out, step out. It goes step, clap, and it just says step out. When I watch the choreographer do it, he kind of does step out at a little bit of an angle, which feels a little bit better. So that's probably what I'm going to do because that's how he dances it, but it's pretty much the same thing. You're going to step out on the right foot, go 1 and 2 and shuffle back, step together, step, step together, step. You're going to reverse that and go left and left, right, left. So the counts go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now, for this next section, we're going to be making a right turn, following your right shoulder. It's a rock recover, so step forward on your right, rock back on your left. Open up your right shoulder a little bit so it will lead you. This is a turning shuffle, right, left, right. Step together, step. Forward on your left foot, pivot turn to your right, back to 12 o'clock, and another shuffle, step together, step. Those are 3 steps, 3 weight changes on those shuffles or triple steps. So we walk that through. We have 1, 2, triple, 3 and 4, half, turn, 7 and 8. I'll show you on the side so you might be able to see my feet if I don't step on my dog. You have right, left, step together, step, left, right, step together, step. From the beginning, 6, 7, 8, you have right, clap, cha, 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 left and right, and cha, cha, cha. Right, left, step, right, left, right, go left, right, left, and you are back where you started. Taking your right foot on a diagonal, you're going to do 2 little heel digs. Heel, heel. And we're going to cross it behind. Oh, Scully. Heel, heel, back, side, front. And then the same thing on the left, but we're going to add a quarter turn. Heel, heel, back, forward, forward. So it's reversing it, but changing the direction that we're going, okay? So your digs are on an angle. The right foot's going to go heel, heel, back, side, front, heel, heel, back, forward, forward, and you are at your new wall, okay? After that, there's only one more count of 8. From here, we're going to do a little charleston. We're going to step toe front, step back, toe back, step front. Right foot is going to do kick, ball change out. You're going to go kick, out, out, in, and hold. Turn my back so you can see that. The charleston starts with a little point, point and step, kick, out, out, in, and hold. And on that count of 8 that you can hold it, you can add a little sass to it if you want, whatever feels good there. Okay, but that's technically a hold count. So one more time, that part goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Your right foot then will go 1, 2. So we'll take it back to the top. We'll try 2 walls and see how we do, all right? Here we go, 6, 7, 8. You have 1 and 2 and cha, cha, back, left, out, right, and triple to the front. Go rock, recover, shuffle, turn, half a turn, heel digs, heel, heel, backside, front, heel, heel, back, and turn. And you're on your left foot. Oh, I didn't finish, did I? How funny, sorry. Toe, step, kick, out, out, in, here we go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, triple 3, and 4, 5, 6. Now right foot out. Go heel, heel, back, side, front. Heel, heel, back, and turn. Charleston, 2, 3, 4, out, 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 in, hold. So one thing that I found interesting while learning this is if you think about the first 3 8s, each 8 is kind of a repetitive movement, right? You have this, and then you reverse it. You have a step, step, shuffle, and another step, step, shuffle, even though it's turning. You have a heel, heel, weave, and a heel, heel, weave. So that helped me remember that those first 3 8s are pairs. The last 8 is different with the Charleston and the kick, step, step. Okay, so just little handy hints from Candy that can help you memorize something. I'm going to try to dance this. This is going to be amusing. So we'll do this with a little bit of music, and we'll see how this knucklehead does. Can you do all right, Scully? You're going to stay here? Clearly he is. For now. All right. Now this, the intro on this, it sounds like you should start dancing right away, but you let 32 counts go and they're singing in that 32. So just knowing that moving forward. Here we go.
Must be doing something right. This thing I gotta fight for. Everyone things by the book.
Oh, wake up. Come on.
Say the bleach went to my brain. Say my dreams are so insane. Oh, but I'm just gonna do and die.
Clap it out. Here we go. Take it back.
Country music. And
Go on, come to shuffle.
heart and soul.
Half turn shuffle. Here's your heel digs.
There was a time.
Heel weave. Back side front. Quarter turn. Charleston. Take kick, step, step, and hold. And 1, 2, take it back. Step forward. Heel, heel. Off on this one. Charleston. And kick, step, 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 step. Hold. 1, 2, and left. Drop the cover, turn right over your right shoulder. And again. Here we go. Heel. Go that way. And Charleston. Kick out, out, in. Here we go. 1, 2. And back. Rock and turn. Turn again. Heel, heel. Try to avoid this. Face the back wall. Charleston. Here we go. 1, last wall, and on the heel dig, so that you stay finished at the front, you don't make the quarter turn on the last one. So I'm doing 1, bump, 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 and I'm gonna go 5, 6, and just do another backside cross, then I finish here, as opposed to doing the turn. Okay? Oh, that's fun. And somehow, he's still here. I totally navigated him, and I hope that you could still see my feet rather than kicking my dog out. I appreciate you guys coming here, I really do. This is a fun dance. Again, it's called Dollywood. Please spread the word about the line dance channel. I'm in Los Angeles. If you're ever here, please look me up, find out where I'm teaching that night. I would so love to see you. And yeah, I'll see you on the dance floor. Thanks again.